Hello programmer, welcome to Digital Programmer. Today I am going to start Core Java series. In this series you will learn all Core Java concepts with practical implementation. If you have any coding knowledge then you will learn it very fast, and if you don't have any coding knowledge or you are not you are not from IT background, so don't worry, I will teach from scratch. And if you watch this series all videos, so one day definitely you will be the best programmer. So we will not waste our time. Let's start. This is my first video of core java, and today we will learn what is java and basic concepts of java. um, and there are types of programming languages, types of variables, types of keyword. In this series, we will learn what is Java, basic concepts of Java, types of variables, types of keyword, data types, types of conversion, types of operators, types of statement, types of loops. After that, we will learn OOPS concepts. In that, four main principle: abstraction, encapsulation, polymorphism, inheritance, like that many more things. Then we will learn multi-threading. Then after that we will learn collection framework. Then we will learn for java 128 main features. So connect with us and watch this video completely. First of all, I want to tell you there are lots of languages in the current market, and currently java and python is booming in the market. These two languages is most popular in the market. Similar like that, there are lots of languages like Ruby, C++, C Sharp, PHP, C++, Python, Perl, and many more languages are available. I want to tell you first of all why we are language use. What is the use of language? So we are using that languages for making applications. There are lots of applications. Mainly, I want to tell you there are three types of main application: like, web application, mobile application, and desktop application. So I want to tell you there are main three difference. I want to tell you three different type of application between mobile application, web application, and desktop application. So you can see here in my desktop screen, you can see this all applications, all desktop application like Eclipse, Firefox, like that. And whenever you are searching on Chrome browser, this YouTube is called web application, and this like that application if you open in your mobile YouTube app, that is called mobile application. Now I want to tell you difference between mobile app and web app and desktop app. For different application, different languages are used in the market. So there are lots of languages, and you can use that all languages to make any application. So one question is there, if we one question is there, can we use one language to make all of three applications like mobile application, web application, and desktop application? So this question answer is yes. We can use one single language for three application, but main difference is then why other languages are coming in the market. So I want to give you an example. If you eat Mumbai biryani, I'm from Mumbai, and if you eat Mumbai biryani and if you eat Hyderabad biryani, there are very difference between Hyderabad and Mumbai biryani. So Hyderabad biryani is very delicious, and Mumbai biryani will be less delicious. Like that, there are lots of languages. So which language we have to use where for mobile application, desktop application, or web application? We have to decide like that. So I want to tell you, for a web application, Java and Python is the best for web application. For that, I want to or more clarification. For internet application, Java is a very best, and for AI, artificial intelligence, machine learning, Python is best. So after that, I want to tell you what is application and how application run. I want to explain this thing into a small picture. You can see here I have two systems which place in different places. I am accessing from a computer to another application through internet. Whenever we are opening Chrome or Firefox, any browser, when we click any website, it, the browser is client. Whenever we hit search any application like this is Spark, I'm just going to start from scratch. Like I am opening Firefox, and here I am typing the path of YouTube and hitting enter. So it goes through internet to the deployed YouTube application to that's their server, which I am showing you here. Whenever I am searching in browser, that is called client, and the request is going to in the form of HTTP request to the deployed main server where the YouTube application is deployed. So I'm to just tell you, there are main server. After that, inside that, there will be the application runner server. Can be in Nginx, Apache, or like that. There are many more servers to run application. And this is a small blue color is our web application. whenever HTTP request is come, then it will work in application. I'm going to tell you from scratch how web application work. So I'm just going to open Firefox and I'm just hitting here a web application. Whenever I'm just clicking here, it's going HTTP request to the YouTube server where web application is deployed. Then like that, I'm hitting from here Firefox. It's called client, and I'm hitting requesting through HTTP request to the YouTube server application. In that, there are a application server which is running the web application. Blue in the blue box, it's called web application. In the green box, it's called app, app server, where web application is deployed. In the app server, there can be Nginx, Apache, like that. There are lots of uh, deployment servers. Then the request is come, and from here data is searching, and then HTTP response to the response in milliseconds to the line. Then I want to tell you this all works in, into the through internet. I'm going to tell you what is internet, so you can watch in the next video what is internet. If I want to tell you what is internet, I want to tell you internet is nothing but only connection between the two devices or more devices. I want to give you example like just connect the wire between the two devices, then it will be the internet. After that, there are lots of security system. So this is web application with DB. I'm going to explain how web application work. So there are three stages in web application. One is front end, second is back end, third is database. Whenever the HTTP request comes to the deployed server, then request goes to front end, then front end request to the back end, and then back end goes to database. And database then responds to the back end, then back end responds to the front end, and front end responds to the deployed server, and deployed servers response to the client, that browser where 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 from we are hitting the request. So I want to tell you there are lots of front end languages, and like that there are lots of back end languages, and there are lots of databases. So I want to give you example like most popular languages used in front end, React.js and Angular. If you see, React.js and Angular work in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript languages, and backend like Java, Python, and many more languages are available. Like that, there are two types of database. One is RDBMS, Relational Database Management System, which works on SQL, Structured Query Language, like MySQL, Oracle, like that. And like that, there are known RDBMS database, which is known Relational Database Management. like MongoDB. So this is our whole application internal structure, how a web application works. Now I'm going to show you different data types like MySQL, MongoDB, Oracle, Google BigQuery. Like that, there are lots of databases in the current market. You can use any based on your requirement. And also, I want to show you types of browser. There are lots of browser like Firefox browser, UC browser, Quick browser, Chrome browser. Like that, lots of browser you can use any. Let's come back to our main topics. So, what is Java? Java is high-level object-oriented and platform-independent programming language. It was developed by Sun Microsystem, now owned by Oracle Corporation, and it first released in 1995. Java was created by Jim Gosling, Mike Sheridan, and Patrick Norton at Sun Microsystem, and it is platform independent language means you can write a code in one system, and you can run that application into any platform. Like you can write code in window, and you can run application in window and linux or ios, any platform you can run. So that's why it's called platform independent. Java is object oriented. Yeah, yes, Java is object oriented. Java support hooks concept, and it support multi-threading, automatic memory management system, and I have to tell you Java 100%. One question is there. Someone asking, is Java is a 100% object oriented? So no, Java is not 100% object oriented because Java support primitive data type. So we learn what is primitive data types and different data types in the next. So I'm to tell you Java is based for internet applications, example mobile application, gaming application, web application, and APIs like that. We can use many more things. Here one another question is Java and JavaScript is same? So no, Java is a different language and JavaScript is a different language. Java is a high level language and JavaScript is scripting language. Then uh, so start the data types in Java. There are primitive data types and non-primitive data types. Primitive data types is means there are some keywords which are reserved for data types like byte, short, int, long, float, double, char, boolean. So what is difference between them? We learn one by one in with practical knowledge in the next video. So here I want to explain you byte has 1 bytes memory, short has 2 byte memory, int has 4 bytes memory, long takes 8 bytes memory, float takes 4 bytes memory, double takes 8 bytes memory, pair take 2 bytes memory, boolean take 1 bit. And non-primitive means user-defined data types like arrays, string, classes, interfaces, etc. And its size depends on the sum of data types and difference data types, all variable classes and interfaces. So it will be defined. Here I am going to tell you 1 byte equal to 8 bits. If you don't know what is byte and bit, so don't worry, I will uh, explain you in the next video. So that's it from for today.